In this video I'm going to take you through a quick slideshow about just the key areas that you want to make sure that you try and include and help you understand how to make the best out of the 3D game you're going to create. So this isn't going to be really a lecture on best ways to do it or really to bore you. It's going to be a quick short video just to show you about how to plan your game and maybe just some core ideas to get you, to maybe think about creating a good game concept and helping you take that, from concept to reality. So I'll go straight into it. You can grab a piece of paper, you can go on Microsoft Word, you can go on a word editing program, and what you want to do is note down some ideas, jot down some ideas. What do you really want to create? So if I give you the example of this game that we're going to create, so we're going to create a sort of small VR project. So it's going to have our character controller where we can run, jump, we might avoid some obstacles, and we want to draw out these ideas and really get a plan of what we're doing. Then you might want to get reference from the internet, so you could start a mood board, start collecting textures, and look at other games for inspiration. Now, I saw somebody who was doing some zombie AI within Unity, and they had a similar VR texture layout that I was looking at, and I thought, yeah, that'd be a really cool idea. So a lot of games these days, they take reference from other games. You'll see a lot of games that you'll think, oh, that could have been taken from X game, and which it probably was, because they borrow a lot of ideas. That doesn't necessarily mean to say that you're copying ideas or you're gonna stumble into any copyright, as long as you don't copy names and big things like that. It's just you're taking a concept and you're trying to make it your own. So things that I've seen before, a long time ago, I played a game called Time Splitters Future Perfect, and that had a VR level which had this sort of blocky idea with the cubes and that sort of futuristic look, along with games from years and years ago. I think this is Project Zero, I can't remember, but that includes the squares that we're going to look into. Some other things from other games always incorporate this sort of shiny, very futuristic look about it, and you can set that in your mind as, yeah, that's how I would imagine it to look, say a training room. So the key ideas to any game is you want to make it fun. You want to keep the player engaged with as many dynamic elements to levels to make it more challenging as possible. So you can have timers, you can have health, you can have leaderboards, things like that. We'll go through a few of those in this section of tutorials, and then you want to make the game so it's easy to pick up for anybody of any level to just pick up and play, because a lot of games these days, when they include competitive multiplayer and things, let's say many older people, they struggle to grasp it because it's got a hard control scheme. It's got a lot of people who are already good at games. So if you make something as simple as possible, people will really engage with that content and really enjoy it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video when we talk about 3D and other assets.